What's up, guys? It's Oberges and I'm here with...
Okay, Zanu.
Yes, sir. So,
Yes, sir.
we're back with another reaction video. Today, we're reacting to Master H, Butter Margarine. You know, I can see that song is trending. TikTok, IG, is it?
Inazuzo
challenge, yeah?
But
Yeah, if you hear the chorus, and the way Master H is dropping my songs, Mafaro.
but that's yeah. Arusha am supporting it otherwise. So I read as a man. The funny thing is when he's dropping, he's not dropping one.
How about two, three. In order to December, I'm ready. I'm ready also.
Hey, if Master H is not booked every weekend this year, every weekend from Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Master H are no hurry. Yeah.
Hey, that's a funny man.
Yeah, God deserves that.
I will say shout out to the manager because they are to, you know.
Yeah, but as a person,
but also as a person, yeah, but anyways, I'm not going to wonder. So yeah. But without further ado, let's get straight into the video. I hope you like it. Subscribe to my channel.
Yes, sir.
Comment down below what you think of the song. Yes, sir. So let's go.
Chinwango, Lutero, Teko, Sukari, what's that they are? In the name of Jesus, not in the name of Judas, Atafaya Punle Murukas, Furaimu Pupura Lucas, Tawanadem, Vakomana, Vasikana, Vitamire in the Uyanega dance, Vitamire in the Uyanega dance, hey, cannot see better Margarine, everybody want power with the big team, yo, cannot see better Margarine, Baba Vajero Vaka introduce Arini, Trigusora Bata, everybody want power with the big team, Trigusora Bata, everybody want power with the big team,
That's what this song is. There to December.
We are done is about hey. I feel like Mira owns my playlist in my teaching. I feel like catalog ya Master HS inogaitorimu. I want
Because Master H
but the funny, the worst is this might be from management as well with my song he has to make it TikTok worthy as well.
Exactly. Because this one is
because I feel like something don't just drop something that is TikTok worthy.
TikTok. Because once you want to drop something and sound TikTok, so you know to go bloom. No. Was that's most my songs are to this year. TikTok. My challenge is
anyways, but bad is per square meter. Bad is per square meter. Bad is. And slaughter wrong, but yeah, bad is per square meter.
Video.
And slaughter and Bangandozo.
Let's just say this video inequality.
I will play a video.
That is video. It's video.
It's okay.
Those niggas don't do that.
Everybody move to the right, man.
It's okay. Mumpei artist of the year.
Mumpei Master H.
Yeah, guys.
You know,
Chiro kana, to be honest, Chiro wano kadropa my album where say
Master H.
I don't think Master H is stopping anytime soon. Apa mfakana kuti Master H akatanga January chingotanga.
January
but dance. Nobody dance.
Dance.
A woman.
After that, I'm going to every month I'm going
to
bangers. I already got zungenyu days of mushrooms. Because guy,
I feel like it's his energy.
Energy, exactly. An energy. I know about energy.
It is energy. He might not be saying much in the song.
Exactly, but
the way he's saying it,
always
because as a down song
Margarine.
But the
energy, exactly.
The energy is
because this song obviously perform live here.
I've seen a Master H performance by TikTok.
I know pay that
crowd engagement. Crowd engagement. That's way better than most artists I've seen.
Those artists we thought I was Derek. I because
kuna mama artists anongomira apa stage ngoti chiro mafans awato respond dzimwe ngwa
ukarodai so make ngozi mafans nongonongonzo vanoti
but wona Master H akarota neshe butter Margarine
akangodai so stage vanobhuroti
mira ngone uchiro mbava baby rako inonga ichizora pa
richitozorirwa butter zvimba babashira zviripo
Master H.
Shout out to you, Master H. Mukasamba artist of the year.
Zvatorigwa. Guys, there's no
I can't say that much because I mean
baddies per square meter.
Like what I said. Quality video.
Baddies per square meter.
Shamwari, vese Shamwari. Shout out to Master H. It seems like I started to tanga. I just was to after December. Pizza I can
and yes, summertime. I'll say December. From now till end of November. Over the
dropping the things.
But kids.
Shout out to you, Master H.
Yes, sir.
Shout out. I think that's all.
Yes, sir.
That's all what we can say right now. Comment down below what you think. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Surabat.